What's the meaning of bungee jumping? Bungee jumping. Bungee jumping.
Bungee jumping. Bungee jumping. Bungee jumping is an extreme sport that involves jumping off a high platform or structure while attached to a long elastic cord. The sensation of freefalling followed by the rebound of the cord creates an adrenaline rush for the jumper. The result of bungee jumping can vary depending on the individual, but common experiences include feelings of euphoria, a sense of accomplishment, and increased confidence. Some people report feeling more connected to their physical sensations and surroundings after trying bungee jumping. Safety precautions are critical to help prevent injuries or death, and jumpers should always follow the guidelines set by trained professionals.